Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I received this hair from Unice Hair. So this is the packaging of the hair. It came in this pink box and with their name on it, and inside the box you can see some gifts you find inside. I had a scarf, and also I had a wig cap, and I have a hairbrush. Also lastly I have eyelashes. Okay, so the wig I have here is their V-part wig, and this is exactly what it looks like. This is something that is trending these days, and then it has like a finished look in the middle, and then they have like combs that have clips underneath, so that when you wear it, you can be able to like install. This is their 24 inches body wave, and this hair is 150% density. So if you're interested in this hair, make sure you check the link in the description box. I'm trying to show you what this hair looks like on a mannequin. So this is how the part looks. It's a V, so it's very easy to install. But first of all, I just want to go ahead and just put some coils to it. So I'm using my flat iron, and then I'm going to just begin to roll towards me. Alright guys, so when I finish, this is what the coils look like. At the back you can see how the coils just came, and they are bouncy, and I really love them. So first thing, I just want to go and braid my hair under, and I'm leaving the part you're seeing in the middle because I want to go for a middle part. You don't have to know how to braid your hair before you can install this hair, so don't get me wrong. But if you know how to braid your hair, is a good thing to braid your hair under. But if you don't know how to do that, you can do a braidless braid under, or just put your hair in a low pony and then put your leave-out out. And when I finish, this is what my braid looks like. I really like it. It's nice, it's firm, and I'm going to go ahead and begin to install this hair. Basically what you need to do here is very simple. The steps are easy. Just open the clips and make sure that you put the combs in underneath your braid and just press it down to lock, and your hair is on. Then you go around the perimeter of the wig, and also put the combs, because it has combs to the side, that one in the front there, and another one on the other side, and then I have another comb at the back. So make sure that they are all sitting properly. If not, it won't look nice. But if you know what you're doing, then yeah, that is perfect. So next thing for me to do is just to take out my leave out and begin to blend it on the wig. So while you are blending your hair with flat iron, make sure that you put a heat protectant and make sure that the heat you're using on your hair is not too much so that it doesn't thin out your hair, which might cause breakage. So just make sure that you put the right amount of heat protectant and make sure that the heat you're using is the right heat for your hair. And so while I am blending in this hair, I want to quickly remind those that are joining this channel for the very first time, if this is today is the first time of watching my video, you are highly welcome and I really appreciate you guys. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to check my other videos. And for all my returning subscriber, I really do appreciate you guys. Thanks so much for the support, thanks for the love. I really do appreciate. And so guys, I'm just going to continue and do this, and make sure this video you share it and make sure you check the description box. There is a sale going on. Make sure you are there at the right time and make sure that you use the coupon code that is provided under in the description box for you. And so guys, you see how easy this was to blend in. And like you can see already, I am almost done and this looks perfect. This looks like is my hair, and like you can see my own scalp out. What more can I ask? This is a very beautiful wig. The texture of this hair is actually very nice. I really do love it. And yeah, like the colors I put in, I use my fingers to just brush them out. And guys, this is what it looks like. And like I said before, this is a 24 inches. Guys, just check this part out, check my hair out and everything, the whole look. Guys, I really love this wig. And guys, this is almost all for this video. This is what I did. I did some baby hairs in the front and defined my part further. And yeah, this is what it looks like from the side. And I really like it how to look at the volume of this hair. It's beautiful. Thanks so much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and check the description box for this hair. And until my next one guys, see you, bye.